Got Rough Rider.
Yeah.
On 8S.
Testing the EVUL motor.
Testing the EVUL motor. EVUL.
Alright. Log. Start
On
timer.
8S. Okay.
Watch out, Mike.
You're basically checking for, of course, miles per hour on the 8S setup, but also temps. So you're getting it live and uncut.
North Florida Outlaws.
Yeah. We ain't gonna blow no winds up under your panties. We're gonna give it to you raw and uncut. Miles per hour and temps. That's what it's all about.
Max said you're looking for about 150.
I'm gonna get over here. Big man, get over on the yellow. Yeah. I'm gonna try to stand here as long as I can.
Clear on the backside.
Tighten up. Here he comes. It's right in the middle. It's on the yellow line.
Let's go down there. It's in the line. I can't see it.
Because you know that big truck's there.
Yeah.
If he back up, is he there? Might as well walk down here. It's right on. It's right on the line. Yeah. I would just back up and turn the wheel. Back up. There you go. Just turn it left. Turn it around. Come forward. You want to hit it? No. Okay.
EVUL Empire motor. Motherfucker was running. 8S.
Yeah.
Hold on. 222.
222.7.
130.
222.7.
Popping on the strap.
You check this.
Temps.
150. Just hit it one time, let it go. 151. 159. 7. Ooh.
It's hot.
157. Lord have mercy. Let me see.
That was a good run though.
What was it? 150. Huh? 44.
It was like what, 138, 37, 138?
Yeah. 22.7. Okay. I'll let you go on.